Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to Material Mantra YouTube channel. So, this is a video on NiAl, that is Nickel Aluminide alloy. This is a special alloy that I want to explain in detail because this alloy has a wide range of application in turbine blades and aerospace industries. These turbine blades are mainly made up of NiAl. Okay, so this is an intermetallic structure. Intermetallic structure. What is intermetallic? It is a solid phase that contains two or more metals, or optionally it contains non-metals also, which will result in the formation of other crystal structure than that of the previous existing metals. For example, so nickel is having FCC structure, aluminum is also having a FCC structure, but by combining these two, we will get a structure, means ordered BCC structure. So what's the difference between the structure and BCC structure? The main difference is here we are considering two elements and here we are considering only one element. That's why it is consisting of a BCC structure. And a centered atom, this one will be a different element. For example, I am drawing a cube. Okay. So here centered atom will be nickel. If it is a nickel, then here the corner atoms are aluminium of different elements. Right? This is the main difference between BCC and B2 structure. So this is showing a phase diagram of NiAl alloy. So our area of interest is this one. Sorry. More precisely, this is the area of interest. Okay, so if you add 50% of aluminium and 50% of nickel in atomic percent, you will get nickel aluminide, which melts congruently. At a temperature of 1638 degrees Celsius. See, this is the temperature, very high temperature in comparison with the all other alloying compositions. Because of this one, it is used in many high temperature applications. At higher temperature, it is a corrosion resistance and it is having a structural resistance, etc. That's why it is used in the high temperature applications. Okay. So next we will jumping into the crystal structure. Okay, this crystal structure is showing a B2 structure. Moreover, it's a very difficult to observe it. Let's see with the physical meaning. Okay. We are demonstrating the NiAl crystal structure. These four atoms are showing aluminium, indicating aluminium, and here these two are indicating the aluminium atoms. But here the one difference is this is placed, nickel atom is placed between the two layers of aluminium. So hence it is called as a B2 structures, B2 aluminides. That is ordered BCC structure. This is a crystal structure of NiAl.